Hey y'all, and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be making another homemade fabric booster. We made one a while back and I really liked it, but it just didn't seem to sometimes get those odors out. So in today's video, we're going to make a new made fabric booster to see if it will help adding this one product to get some odors out of those towels. Sometimes your towels just have that musky smell to them even after you wash them. So we're going to try this today and see how this fabric booster turns out. Let's get started. Okay, for this fabric booster today, we're going to use 1 cup of Epsom salt. And then we're going to add, this time, I'm going to add some baking soda. I'm going to add around 1/2 cup of baking soda, because that will help fight the odors also in your laundry. And then I'm going to add, and I'm using lemongrass this time, I'm going to actually add around 10 drops of this lemongrass. And now we're just going to give that a good mix to get that baking soda and that Epsom salt all mixed together good. And your essential oils combined. Now you could leave it just like this and stick to the all natural. And that's what I'm going to do for part of it, but I'm going to try it with some of the Gang Moonlit Febreze in it also. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to take out, because I'm going to put this in a little bitty like jelly jars to divide it up. I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to add about 1 cup of it back to my jar. And then to this one, we're going to add some of the beads that you can get from Gang makes them. And I think Downy makes these also. But I'm just going to add to this one about 1/2 cup of these little beads. And we're going to give that one a mix. So now, when I have some laundry or towels that have a real bad odor to them, I'll have this one to pick from, where we added the Gang little scent boosters. Or we can use just the one with the essential oil, with the Epsom salt, the baking soda, and the lemongrass essential oil. And what you'll do with these is, once you put a load of laundry in, just add around 2 tablespoons of either one of these that you pick to choose from to your laundry, and see how much fresher your laundry can turn out smelling. Adding just this little bit to your wash will make a big difference. Okay, y'all, I hope you like our video on how we made 2 different kinds fabric boosters. This one is like for everyday use, and this one is when you have some tough stuff to get out of your laundry. We added just a tiny bit of these Gang fabric boosters, and they do seem to smell great. I've had this one for a long time, so I figured I might as well use them up. We like making these because right now, money's tight. Products can help you save money using what you already have, instead of buying it in the cleaning aisle. I hope y'all like our video, and if you do, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like, and share our videos. And if you hadn't already, subscribe down below. Thanks for watching.